Ublalotak, Kanwik Pizzy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with each other, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. As the days get longer and longer and we get ever closer to summer, there'll be a new daily drawing. The prize? Sunglasses of all kinds. Who can participate? All students, grades K through 12, who arrive to school on time. The first drawing will begin tomorrow, Thursday, April 6th. Arrive to school by 9 o'clock and your name will be put into a daily drawing for a pair of brand new sunglasses. Good luck to everyone, and I can't wait to see you all and who gets to win that first pair. So, today for our Circle Up check-ins, we're going to do a perspective exercise. So today, looking at the image, Perspective asks, in your circles, discuss what you see in the image. Do you see a man holding a woman up with one hand? Are they laying on the ground? Anything else you may notice? Discuss these things in your circle. And as always, have a wonderful Wednesday.